ShopWise is the heaven for American Express card holders. Why? Because you can purchase brand vouchers and you can get huge ROI by doing that. So what do I mean by huge ROI? So let's say if you would purchase Uber voucher from ShopWise using your American Express Platinum Charge card, and let's say you are purchasing 4 vouchers of 2500 rupees each, so in total 10,000. So you are going to get 1250 reward points, which means that you are effectively getting 12.5% of ROI upon spending 10,000 rupees. So these will be in terms of the points that you will get, which can be transferred to Marriott in 1:1 ratio or KrisFlyer in 2:1 ratio. And then whenever the sale comes or whenever the price is good, you just redeem your points, and you will be effectively getting 1 rupee per point value. And even beyond that, if you will be very strategic with your booking. So let's say if you are booking a business class or first class using your KrisFlyer miles during spontaneous escape sale, you are going to get huge ROI, maybe 2 rupee per point ROI or 3 rupee. So let's be conservative and consider that as 1 rupee per point value. It is still huge. 12.5% is huge. UPI will give you 1-2%, 3%, but this will give you 12.5%, and you can spend roughly about 2 lakh rupees to earn up to 25,000 bonus reward points in a month. So with the basic cards, the capping is 1,000 rupees, 2,000 rupees cashback per month. With Amex, the upper bound is too high to even meet it. You will have to purchase vouchers worth 2 lakh rupees or 2.5 lakh rupees or 3 lakh rupees depending on the card you have. So let's say if you have Platinum Charge card, since the earn rate is quite high, you'll be reaching 25,000 threshold pretty sooner. But if you're having, let's say, the Reserve card or the Platinum card or the Gold card, you will be earning 3x reward points, which would mean that you will be getting ROI of about 6%. So it will take you double spends to basically reach that threshold, which means you will have to purchase 5 lakh rupees worth of vouchers to reach that threshold. So since it is too high and not everyone will be going to do that, whatever you are getting over here by spending, let's say, 50,000 rupees on purchasing brand vouchers, which should meet all of your needs. For example, if you are going to electronics, so let's say Vijay Sales, Apple, Skugga, you have Flipkart, Croma, so you can purchase vouchers of all these brands. And best part is, for the Amazon Pay, even HDFC is not having the availability of Amazon Pay gift cards for last few months, but in the case of ShopWise, you can purchase 20,000 worth of vouchers just by paying 354 rupees convenience fees. The convenience fees is quite high on HDFC. So you're effectively getting 12% ROI because you're getting reward points on these convenience fees as well. So Amex is beautiful. It's amazing to get something like this and get rewarded so nicely by American Express. So this ShopWise portal is owned by Pine Labs. So Amex and Pine Labs have some collaboration. Earlier it used to be Gifter, but they have moved away from Gifter. So HDFC and others, they are powered by Gifter in terms of the brand voucher portal that they have. So if you are having Centurion card, then you will require even half of the spends that Platinum Charge card holder will do, because you'll be earning 10x points. So imagine getting 20 to 22% ROI in terms of the points on purchasing the brand vouchers. Life would be hugely beautiful. If you are fond of shopping from Nykaa, you will be getting 12.5% return if you are having Platinum Charge card, or 6% return if you are having the other variants such as Gold card or the Travel card or the Reserve card. So 6% is better than 1-2% or 3% that you get from other payment modes such as UPI cards, which are there. They will just give you some jewels or some coins which can be redeemed within their apps, but in the case of American Express, these can be moved away to transfer partners such as KrisFlyer or Marriott. So you'll be able to stay in some of the nicest hotels for free if you accumulate enough points. And there are many cards which will assist you in earning more points, such as HDFC Bank's Marriott card will give you 1 night free voucher worth 15,000 points that you can get, and for additional nights you can use your points. So in a way, Amex and other cards which allow you to transfer your points to other partners, they don't bound you and they give you the freedom that you wanted to live the life that you always wanted. So yeah, ShopWise is a heaven for anyone who loves to purchase groceries to some luxury buying. And if you are fond of dining as well, you go party, then you can purchase these vouchers. For example, Cafe Delhi Heights is there, which is giving upfront 8% discount, and then you will be earning about 12.5% ROI on Platinum Charge card and about 6% on the Platinum Travel card. So right now you are getting a little lesser points because you are getting the discount. Actual amount is 9,200 rupees and you're getting the reward points calculated basis on 9,200 rupees, which is pretty fair. And then if you love shopping from Tata Click, Myntra, Amazon shopping voucher is there. So you purchase 20,000 rupees of gift card and then 20,000 rupees worth of shopping cart, you are going to get about 5,000 points, because 2300 piece into 4 is that. So this can be a rewarding experience for you, and you will be earning a lot of points if you will use this ShopWise portal instead of just paying through your Amex card. This is the greatest way of using your American Express cards, because this is extremely rewarding and it changes the ROI that you get from your cards. And if you want to learn more about how to maximize your ROI from any of the American Express cards, just subscribe on YouTube or follow us on Instagram, and you will have all the links, all the resources readily available for you to master the art of using the credit cards.